Hello fam, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I just want to show you guys step-by-step processes on how to actually get your entries right using this my simple strategy which I've shared with you guys on my YouTube channel. So if you want to grow your small account, be it the $10, be it the $20, so here's a strategy you need, and to help you to get sniper entries like the one I have right here on my screen. Okay, you can see how I have that entry. Okay, so let me just show you guys. Let me just put so you see we entered right there. So how do we know that's the place the market is actually going to be resting from? Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, and please endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, just take note. Okay, just take note and pay clear attention. All right, so as you guys can see, this market is actually in a downtrend. Yeah, it's in a downtrend, but we're currently with what I'm seeing here, what I'm seeing here on the daily time frame. Okay, what I'm seeing here on the daily time frame, this market is actually going to be buying for a while. It's going to be buying for a while. So what it just came to do now is probably a retest. Okay, market actually came to do a little bit of what retest of this candlestick. These are powerful candlestick patterns. So you see where we actually got the entry from, and then where the price is now. So we're going to be expecting this market to keep pushing to the upside. So it was just a short-term scalp. Okay, so we are going to be heading all the way to this area right here. So you can clearly see that. All right, and if you look further to the left here, you see that okay, this market is likely going to respect this low, but from the candlestick which the market has imprinted, okay, that's actually really possible for the market to do that. All right, so how did I get that entry? All right, so I came to my 15 minutes time frame. Okay, I was just looking for a clean setup, simple setup. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, it's not actually clear. Yeah, so sometimes you have to look at the 5 minutes time frame when you have an idea of what the market is actually going to do from the bigger time frame. So that was the reason I had to go down to my smaller time frame, okay, to actually get my entries from. Okay, so here I went to the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame, what was I looking out for? Okay, I'm looking for a sweep. Okay, I'm looking for a break of structure, a sweep of liquidity, and so on. So right here, I think my derivative trading view mobile will be able to do that. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame and look at it together. Okay, fam. So right here you can actually see the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so let me just zoom in a little bit. Right, the reason why I'm using this is some tools here which I won't be able to have access on the MT5 platform. So right here, let me use this. Right here we have what, a sweep of liquidity. We have a sweep of liquidity, which means that there are some sellers who are previously in this area, and as the market moved down, okay, move down a little bit, they have moved your stop losses to break even. So what happened? The market came, liquidated them, or probably took out their stop loss. So with that in mind, that's a sweep of liquidity. What are we looking for next? We are looking for a break of structure to the downside. So you see we have a break of structure to the downside. The next thing we're going to be looking for, it's a pullback. Okay, so that pullback should be at least 50% of your Fibonacci too. So you pick your Fibonacci retracement from the swing high to the swing low. Okay, you see that area, that's up to what, 50%. So that becomes what, your structural what, liquidity. All right, that becomes your structural liquidity. You just mark it out. And the next thing now you're going to be looking for is a second what, break of what, structure. So you pick your trend line, you can clearly see our second break of structure right here. Okay, so the next thing we have to look out for now is to mark our PY Our POI stands for a point of what entry. So that's the area which we are going to be interested in actually selling this market from. Sorry about that. So there was a little mistake and then the whole thing restarted. So we have the second break of structure, which is this where POI we've been able to mark at our point of interest. So what we wait for is the market to actually kiss into the point of interest. Then what happens? You take your sales. All right, here should always be your target. Okay, your first target. All right, like I've always taught you guys. And then here becomes your protected or high. Okay, so I'm just using my mobile phone to actually do this, which means that you too can actually use your mobile phone to actually do these. Okay, so right here you see everything has been marked out, and you see how the market tapped into our point of interest, and then we took our first entries right from there. All right, and then you can actually, if you want to be conservative, your stop loss just slightly above the structural the protected high. Yeah, if you want to be conservative, and then protect your stop loss. So you see that that's our first target. That's how the market actually smashed the first target, and then you can actually go for more targets. Okay, but remember what I told you, that from the daily the market actually wants to retrace and then retest that daily low. So now let's go back to our MT5. Yeah, let's go back to MT5. So you've seen the reason why we actually took the trade. So we had our entries from, we had a setup from the 5 minutes time frame, and then we had confirmations from even the 30 minutes time frame. So time frames are actually related to one another, so you understand. So you have to learn to read price action to be able to relate the whole thing, and then build a story from the higher time frame and then down to the lower time frame, guys. So see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So stay blessed, fam.